A migraine is a neurological disorder. Migraine means repeated bouts of headaches ranging from a high to moderate intensity. The pain is usually either on one side or one half of the head. A typical attack can last for either 2 hours, 2 days, or sometimes even a week. Migraine brings with it turmoil and trauma, the excruciating pain, the aversion to light, the sensitivity to sound. It's heartbreaking to see a loved one suffer when a migraine decides to attack. The other symptoms usually include nausea, vomiting, and aggravated pain during physical activity. Owing to our new age lifestyle, migraines have increasingly become common. The NHS states that a migraine is one of the more common neurological conditions, ranking higher than epilepsy, asthma, and diabetes put together. Of course, you can have the prescribed medication, but they have many side effects, one of them being drowsiness. As they say, it is always better to go natural, and that is where yoga comes to the rescue. Yoga is an ancient practice whose practitioners consider it to be more than just a form of exercise. It promotes a sense of holistic living through the combination of breathing techniques and asanas. It has no side effects. It helps battle ailments while correcting postures, energy flow, and overall health. All it takes is a few minutes of your time to practice yoga every day and keep problems like a migraine at bay. 5 yoga poses for migraine relief are Padmasana or lotus pose, Hasta Uttanasana or hand raising pose, Marjariyasana or cat stretch pose, Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend pose, Shavasana or corpse pose.
Sit with your legs stretched out. Bend the right knee and place it on the left thigh. Repeat the same step with the other leg. Make sure that the sole of the feet point upward and the heel is close to the abdomen. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and relax.
The Padmasana or the lotus pose is a meditative posture that relaxes the mind and clears out the head, thereby reducing the headaches. Don't be deceived by how simple it looks though. It can be quite a task to master this sitting pose.
Stand straight. Inhaling, raise and stretch both arms above the head, keeping them shoulder width apart. Bend the head, arms and upper body backward. Exhaling, go back to the starting position.
Hasta Uttanasana or hand raising pose helps you stretch your body and increases blood circulation. It increases the amount of oxygen in the head and releases stress, thereby reducing the pain.
Come onto the floor on your hands and knees. Inhale while raising the head and depressing the spine so that the back becomes concave. Exhale while lowering the head, stretching the spine upwards and pulling the buttocks. The hands should be in line with the knees. The arms and thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. The knees may be slightly separated so that they are well aligned under the hips. Repeat it 5 to 10 rounds.
Marjariyasana or the cat stretch pose is a great mind and muscle relaxant. It also helps improve your breathing and allows you to release stress. All of these factors help in getting rid of the pain and the symptoms of a migraine.
Sit with the legs outstretched. Slowly bend forward and try to grasp your big toes with your fingers. Try to touch your knees with the forehead. Hold the position for as long as is comfortable. You can ask your instructor to help you with this asana.
Paschimottanasana or seated forward bent pose pumps a new lot of blood to your head. It ensures the absorption of more nutrients and fresh oxygen in the head, which automatically reduces pain. The asana also works on the digestive system, so if your headache is stomach related, you will find relief instantly.
Lie on your back with arms away from your body, palms facing upwards. Feet should be slightly apart. Head and spine should be in a straight line. Relax the whole body and be aware of your breath.
The Shavasana or the corpse pose is the ultimate climax to a great yoga session. It brings about a deep state of rest in the body. The body almost drifts into a meditative state and gets rejuvenated. The rejuvenation also helps in banishing migraines. Medical disclaimer: yoga is effective and most doctors today advise you to take up this form of workout. But when it comes to migraines, it is best to consult your doctor and make sure you don't stop your medication without their advice. While this practice aids the medication, it is not an alternative.